Valley property owners living along the border receiving letters in their mailboxes. The letter asking them for access to land for the potential border wall.
Channel 5's Angelo Vargas explains what's being done to make sure landowners know their rights. He's in Mission with more.
We are here at the National Butterfly Center in Mission, and right now property owners are learning about their rights. Some of these property owners have received letters from the federal government asking permission to survey their land. One attorney says it's for the new border wall. Hundreds of property owners along the U.S.-Mexico border have received right of entry letters.
And we know several people who have received those letters.
National Butterfly Center Director Mariana Trevino Wright says she knows what this means for future landowners and what's next.
Well, I know at this time the North American Butterfly Association Board of Directors is still negotiating terms for that right of entry with the government.
Texas Civil Rights Project attorney Efren Olivares explains what the government does with right of entry letters.
Asking the landowners to give them permission to come onto the land to do surveying, measuring, and soil sampling.
He explains it's best not to make any rushed decisions.
The most important thing that landowners should know is that they don't have to sign. Even if they feel pressured or if somebody tells them that you have no choice, it's important for people to know that they don't have to sign.
Special Operations Supervisor for Border Wall Program Management, Danny Tirado, says in April 2018, Customs and Border Protection sent over 230 rights of entry letters to conduct surveys in the Rio Grande Valley for fiscal year 2018, proposed wall in Hidalgo and Starr counties. In September, they sent 350 rights of entry letters for the proposed wall for fiscal year 2019. Tirado explains CBP has not filed any declaration of takings for right of entry in the Rio Grande Valley. Olivares says depending on how this meeting goes, they plan on organizing another Know Your Rights informational sometime in the future. Reporting in Mission, Angelo Vargas, Channel 5 News at 6.
And a note to Angelo's story, some landowners have already granted permission for the government to go onto their land this year. This is a Channel 5 News Extra. In April of 2018, 230 letters were sent out mentioned in Angelo's report. 200 right of entry letters were signed by landowners. CBP is working in the number of people for the ones sent out this month.